Okay, I've got a 50-inch Cadet RZT. It's a little bit bigger model, not quite commercial, but it's a heavier duty model for sure. It's got the rocker arm on the front here for a little more stability when driving, bigger front casters, and bigger drives on it. It's still a single tank, but it does have the Kohler Pro 25 motor. Seat's in good condition. Of course, it's got some scrapes and bruises here and there. Only area that I would say it's kind of actually damaged is this little arm for the support wheel here. It has been welded back on, so it's not damaged anymore, but it's definitely had a little work done to it there. But the rest of this thing is good. It operates just fine. I'll show you how she does. Oh, and it's got, let's see here, $467 hours on it. No bad noises out of the motor. Idle it down for you. Bring it back up. E-brakes down here. Deck level adjustments right here. Forward, reverse, left, right. I'll mow some grass here for you. Clean cut, nice and level. Make a good mower for you.